Greek neighborhood, then you're in North African neighborhood.
Okay, Kuya Romel, to the viewers, we're still here in the pedestrian market. Pedestrian market near Notre Dame Basilica in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Oh, they have the cake. Steak and bar. Souvenir items here for Quebec. Bienvenue, Quebec. Bonjour.
Puis j'ai couru avec ma soeur.
Okay, Kuya Romel, Toronto viewers, good morning. Today is Friday, July 25th in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, St. Joseph Basilica. Time check, now 12 noon. There you go. Lots of people here going inside. $16 per entrance going to the church. Let's go this way. Here. People here and there. Okay, we're to the viewers. We're now here leaving Notre Dame Basilica in Montreal, Quebec. These are the. Maybe you can cross the other side, ma'am. Watch the car.
School at home.